Hey, Dave Knight, 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today was March 2nd, 2017. It was Thursday, March 2nd, 2017. Nothing really special going on with me. I took my one a tick hit today for $13.68, but it got me to day 8. I'll do the same thing on day 9 and the same thing on day 10, which would finish up FTP on March 6th, and then I'll go back into funded. Um, uh, you know what? The only thing I'm going to say about this one guy that likes to watch my videos and thumb down everything, I got 2 words for you. Jealous much? Anyway, so that's all I wanted to talk about that. So what did we talk about in the trading room today? Well, we were talking about the 38.1% retracement, and we were talking about the 50% retracement. It would have been a pretty rough day, I think, overall, if I was trading. I may or may not have made money on today. Most likely, as I look at today as an overall and the way I approach the markets, I could have easily seen myself would have been down 20, 30 ticks today, although I really felt the market was going to go down back to the lows. We talked about, the 38% retracement. We also talked about the 50% retracement and my belief. We went through like lots of material today, and I'm not going to load it up to the web because I don't have to. I mean, it was part of the trading room, the environment that I did. And some of the stuff I share, well, you just got to be in there. Why did I think the market was going to go down today? I shared that in the room today. So I can tell you for a fact that that's what I shared. I shared why I believe the market was going to go down. I tried to give it and how I relate to back to what I call this concept that I use called and that I coined. I don't take credit for any of it, but I coined it VTS, or volume tick study, the way I look at volume spikes and how it relates to the overall market inside a day trading environment. So I would refer that if you go to our blog, go to our blog, my blog, and just put volume tick study in the search box and go, you'll find probably a nice little definition of how I define volume and go from that. So that's about it. Nothing real special happening today. I think it was a day that was, there was a nice upward movement up to roughly the 38% line. And then there was a nice downward movement from 50% down today. So if you could have been perfect today, catching the long coming off the lows and catching the short at the 50% retracement line, it could have been a really nice trading day if you would have been lucky enough to be able to see all that. I mean, we talked about it. I talked about why I was still have my bias and why I was biased and why I thought short was the answer. I talked about all of that. But, sometimes, you know, I don't know where else to go with this particular video. I'm not going to put up a blog post. I'm just going to leave this up here for YouTube. And I just got 2 words for you, buddy. Jealous much? God bless. Take care. You know who you are. God bless. Take care. And we'll see you on the next video I'll put together. Bye for now.